Here it comes. Do you see it?
Wow, that's a big train. It's going to get real loud.
It's pink.
It is pink?
Yes. No, it's red and blue.
It's red and blue.
Yes.
Got a loud horn.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's riding.
Look at that big train.
Yeah.
It's got lights.
See all the lights, buddy?
Yeah.
See all the lights?
It got legs to move.
It's got lights.
It got legs to move.
Yeah.
I want to go in the train when it stops.
Oh, we can't go in that train. No, we just look at it. At least I think that's how it works.
Is there a guy in there?
I don't know. We'll have to wait and see.
It stopped. Why it just stopped?
Because it's here. You cold?